I'm gonna show you how to make these Danishes to a piping bag, and then we're gonna come back and make our lemon filling. Flour down, and I don't need a lot, so I want to know if we on the same page. I'm going straight into the cheese. Hey guys, I'm Lydia, and in this recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make these Danishes. Let me tell you why, because they good. All right, I done had so many. Okay, it's not even funny. I done had so many. You see my little food baby growing right now. These Danishes are like so good. So we got some raspberries, some lemon curd, and some cream cheese. And if you stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to make them. Let's go. Okay guys, so for our Danishes, we're gonna start with our base. That's gonna be our cream cheese filling, okay? So I don't have a hand mixer. You can do it in a hand mixer in a small bowl if you have one, but I actually don't have one. So I'm gonna be wasting my stand mixer because it's really a small portion, okay? So we're gonna add our cream cheese, crack us an egg, put that in there. We're gonna add us some vanilla. And not a lot. I didn't even do a full capful, all right? Not even. And then I got 3 tablespoons of sugar. Clean up all of that. And then we're gonna put all of this in our stand mixer. So we're gonna let this go on medium-high speed, and we're just gonna let it whip until it's incorporated. It's gonna take maybe 2 minutes, not even. So that's done, and that was so quick, guys. So this is our cream cheese mixture, all right? I'm gonna transfer this straight to a piping bag, and then we're gonna come back and make our lemon filling mixture. Lemon curd. Alright guys, so you stuck with us. We made our cream cheese filling for our danishes. We made our lemon curd for our danishes. We also have some strawberry preservatives, which I actually bought from my local farmer's market. It's homemade from someone. It's called Bonnie Madame. I really love this product. I do. If I don't make my own fresh fruit like preservatives or jams or jellies, I'll get it from a local farmer's market because it's usually lower in sugar. They don't have all of that processed product in it. I ain't got time for it, okay? So I'm gonna grab some flour down, and I don't need a lot, so I'm literally just rubbing it in so it covers. And we're gonna unroll our pre-made puff pastry. Puff pastry. Okay. And we're gonna get filling. So. I have that here. Okay, so we got our pastry dough unrolled. I actually got me a little paring knife from a knife kit, and I love using this knife when I have to do anything with puff pastry, especially when I do like little intricate cuts and designs, folds, because it's so much smaller and it's much easier to control, and it's actually a little sharper. I make sure I keep my knife sharp. You need to do that. I'm not a big fan of small danishes, so we're gonna go right down the center and then cut that in 3. That's how we doing it. All right. Separate them off a little bit. Okay guys, so we cut them into about 6 equal parts. It's not completely equal, but it's as equal as I'm gonna get it because I eyeballed it. All right, I got my egg wash, and I'm just gonna do a simple little fold over. I actually do my danishes in about 4 different ways. So if you ever want to see like a complete detail on how I fold and make different designs out of my puff pastries when I make desserts, just leave me a comment down below, and I gotcha. I gotcha. So I'm just brushing the ends because I'm gonna fold actually these ends over for this. And all you're doing is egg washing the corners, because when you fold the corners over, you want them to be able to stick and meet. So. And this is my first one. So this is like my little envelope design. When I do these, it's if I'm doing any like extra filling. So if I'm doing like a plain cream cheese, I might not go so, I might do like a simpler design. But if I'm doing anything with preservatives from fresh fruit, because they do hold a lot of water and it can get a little watery if you don't make it right. I would fold it over just so if anything does leak out, it catches it on the corners and you're not making a mess everywhere, and it still makes the final product look great. So I'm going to finish folding these over and get these on our sheet pan. Okay, so I have my sheet pan here full of danishes. All we're gonna do now is go in and start filling. So I have my cream cheese here inside my little piping bag. Grab my scissor, and I'm just gonna cut the end off. Not too big of a hole. And we're just gonna put some right in the center. Now, the 2 at the top, I'm gonna leave just straight cream cheese. So I actually did a lot more cream cheese in those than I did for the other ones. Okay. Now I'm gonna do 2 of these just lemon curd. So it's gonna be lemon curd and cream cheese. So I have my lemon curd here. I'm gonna peel my plastic wrap off. I had it sitting in the fridge overnight just to make sure it firmed up, which it did. It looks great. Oh, look how great it scoops, guys. Look how wonderful that is. And I'm just gonna put some right there and take the other half and put it on this one. Okay, so those are gonna be my 2 lemon. And then I'm gonna do 2 that's strawberry. Okay, so I got me a spoon and I'm gonna do these last 2 are strawberry. So I'm just scraping it kind of to get it broken up a little bit. And then we'll put these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 12 to 13 minutes, guys. Okay, we'll be right back. All right, guys, so our Danishes are out the oven. Do you know how impatient? Oh gosh, let me tell you. So I had an issue because I had some things in the oven. I was waiting on. I was so impatient. But they're out the oven. Okay, so we're gonna eat one because you know I like to eat some stuff that I make because I be hungry. Anyway, I'm going straight into the cheese, the classic cheese. Anyway, I'm on this baking journey, guys, because I actually haven't baked in a while, and as you can see, like with my channel, I just started really baking again and filming again, and I really just want to get back to what I loved, you know? So if y'all stay around and subscribe to this channel, I really think that y'all gonna fall in love with what I fall in love with, because that's just baking. So I like pastries. I'm not just a cake person, and you will learn I don't even eat cake on my birthday. I don't want cake. I'm a pastry person. So if you want to do some pastries, some chocolate work, like some real stuff, just stay tuned, because you gotta hit the subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button and follow the channel, because that's what we're gonna do together. I want to get back to what I love. So I'm gonna finish this cream cheese Danish because I really went on a rampage and I don't even know what we're talking about. But all I know is this is good. Well, I'm gonna finish off this Danish, guys, and I just want to say have a great day. See you next time.